Welcome to AML Classes. What is Hawala? Hawala, also known as Hundi, is an informal system of money transfer that originated in the Indian subcontinent and is commonly used in various parts of the world. It operates outside of traditional banking channels and is based on trust and the honor system. Let's look into the parties that involve in Hawala transaction. Sender. A person who wants to send money initiates the transaction by giving cash to a local Hawaladar, along with relevant details such as the recipient's name, location, and any agreed-upon code. Hawaladar A. The local Hawaladar, who often operates within a community and is well connected, takes the cash from the sender and notes down the transaction details. Communication. The local Hawaladar then communicates with their counterpart, known as Hawaladar B, usually located in the recipient's area or close to the intended destination. Settlement. Hawaladar A and Hawaladar B have an established trust relationship. They settle their accounts periodically, often through various means, such as balancing their transactions, using formal banking channels, or even physical movement of cash. Recipient. Once the communication is made and the transaction is settled between the Hawaladars, Hawaladar B contacts the recipient and provides them with the equivalent amount in the local currency or as agreed upon. In a Hawala transaction, two Hawaladars are Hawala brokers who facilitate the transfer of funds between individuals or entities. The process begins when a person, known as the remitter, gives money to a local Hawaladar along with the name of the intended recipient, known as the beneficiary. The Hawaladar then contacts another Hawaladar in the recipient's location and provides instructions on disbursing the equivalent amount to the beneficiary. The key feature of the Hawala system is its speed and low cost. Transactions are usually completed swiftly since it relies on personal relationships and trust. The distinguishing feature of Hawala is that the actual movement of money is minimal or non-existent. Instead, it relies on a network of trust and communication between Hawaladars who settle their accounts periodically, often in different currencies or commodities, to maintain balance within the system. The Hawala system has been used for centuries and is prevalent in regions where formal banking infrastructure is limited or where individuals prefer the anonymity and speed it offers. Hawala can be a useful and efficient method for transferring funds, particularly for people who are unbanked or unable to access formal financial services. However, due to its informal nature and lack of regulatory oversight, Hawala can also be exploited for money laundering, terrorist financing, and other illicit activities. Governments and international organizations have implemented measures to combat these risks and regulate the Hawala system while recognizing its legitimate uses in certain contexts. Thanks for watching.